In this video, we present our study on promoting timely completion of multi-step processes using the process completion diagram and multi-step process visualization. Before we present the demo, we will show how the process completion diagram is created. A multi-step process is composed of a number of steps, where each step is performed by one or more actors. Let's have a look at the sample of event log data used to create the PCD. It uses three attributes: duration time, actor, and step. The PCD aggregates this data in three groups using the duration and the threshold of lateness, and visualizes completions using shape and color. Green rectangle shows the in-time completions, orange the late completions, and the red triangle shows the not completed completions. The PCD shows also the average completion time, the standard deviation, the minimum and the maximum duration time, the number for the in-time, late and not completed completions. The interactive multi-step process visualization combines a number of PCDs and allows users to review and compare series of PCDs at three levels of detail: process, step, and actor. Now let's have a look at the demo. When the manager opens MSPro Vis, the process overview is shown. This view presents the overall process performance. In this case, most of completions were performed late and almost 24% of them were not completed. The minimum duration time was 25 minutes and the maximum 243 minutes. The threshold of lateness was set to 141. This is a computed value from the steps in details, which we will show next. The manager can click on its shape to access details on demand and can interact with the slider to change the month and compare performances. After gaining an overview of the whole process, the manager decides to investigate the steps of this process. By double-clicking on the process overview area, the steps in details view is shown. This process consists of 4 steps. Therefore, the steps in details uses 4 PCDs. The manager can interact with the threshold of lateness bars. Whenever a threshold is adjusted, the PCD is updated. Notice that the process overview is also updated because the threshold of lateness is computed by summing up the steps thresholds. This view allows the manager to compare steps but also to reconsider what should be treated as in-time and late completions. The manager double-clicks on the second step to view the actors in details. This view shows all the actors involved in this step. From the step view, the manager can see that the second step has caused the highest number of not completed completions. Using the actors view, the manager can identify who is responsible. In this case is John Smith. The threshold of lateness defined in the steps in details is used also in the actors view. Notice that there are some gaps between the orange and green rectangles for some of the actors. This means that some actors have performed in less time than the defined threshold. In this way, the manager can compare performances between actors and identify who has caused the length of the step duration. The manager investigates different scenarios by adjusting the thresholds. A single change of the threshold affects all the views. After investigating step 2, the manager double-clicks on step 3 to see more details regarding the actors and their performances. From the height of the orange rectangle, the manager can see that Jakob has executed more late completions than the others. But he has also executed more completions in total than the others. Responsible for the not completed completions is mainly Maria. After analyzing step 2 and 3, which are the most critical ones, the manager goes to step 4 and step 1 to see how the actors in these two steps performed. After investigating the process, steps and actors' performances, the manager can compare actors' performances for different months. In January, John was the one who had dropped completions the most. Therefore, the manager wants to investigate how John did in February and March. By interacting with the slider, the manager can see that John is the main root cause for not completed completions in all the months.